Hi guys, and we're heading for a tunnel. I mean, we're heading for Mount Mount Makiling, yes, and oh, it's there, and just wait for us, and makakarating din tayo doon. Mga siguro I'm so sorry. Wait.
Matapo na nila.
Let me take a drink.
May dalang baso sa kotse.
Yes, and we're so close na talaga over there, and I'm so sorry, and konting miles apart na lang makakarating na rin tayo dun sa tunnel. I mean Mount Makiling, yes, Mount Makiling, and huwag mo yan sa tit ko, nakakahiya. And yes, just wait for us. Yes, and maganda ka naman.
Ayan na, malapit.
And muna nakakabisit ka. Tutok sa camera sa akin, tapos ikaw, tutok mo rin pala. Tutok mo rin pala sa'yo. And we're so close na talaga. Look. Actually, may nakikita pa kayong billboard dyan, pero hindi pa yan yung Mount Makiling. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Tutok mo na sa akin, mas maganda ako. Ayan, mas maganda ang view, diba? Yan. Let's wait for, to get there, and, and,
Ang dirty.
wait.
Ayan na.
We're so... there's the Mount Makiling, you got it. And sabi ko sa inyo, makakarating din tayo dyan sa Mount Makiling. And just enjoy the view. Don't mind me, I'm okay. Ha. And have a need to sing.
Hindi mo gagamitan.
No, thank you. Thank you. I'm so sorry. Ayan! And...
Kanina naramdaman ko na yung tabi.
this time, it's...
Doon na malapit na eh.
This view is me, myself, and I. Yes. Wala kayo iba makikita kundi ako lang. Ha. Magsawa kayo, kala nyo. And, bye-bye!